All right. But let's see. The first thing that I want to show you today is how you can automate your WordPress. So every time you have a new post, send it to your social profiles. So what will you need for that to happen? You need something like, okay, so this is the Squirrly brand. This is my profile. Here is something called the API. And this is what will allow me to connect with Zapier. Actually, I shouldn't show that on screen. It's not super safe for me to show you that, but that's where you get where you get the access to the API. And now I can go to Zapier and I can make a new Zap. So first I should delete my old Zap so that everything looks great and you won't feel like I'm cheating, because I want to get this done from zero. Of course, we're using Zapier for a lot of things at the Squirrly company. That's why we have so many of them. Your Zapier, if you use only Squirrely Social, will look a lot nicer than this one. I've collected all of them in the blogging category. So let's see, Squirrely blog to Florian Twitter. I'm gonna turn this off right now because this is what helped me until now, and I'm gonna show you how you can connect your WordPress to your social media profiles by using Zapier. So I'm just gonna go here in Zapier and say make a Zap. Of course, we have like a full-end tutorial in our help center for Squirrely Social. You can go there and you can see everything about how you can create a Zapier.com account and everything. I just want to show you how easy it is from Zapier to just make this integration once you have it. So make a Zap. And I'm gonna go and look for RSS. Right, here I have to place my RSS. So in the case of Squirrely, I have so this is our feed. This is generated by the Squirrely SEO plugin. And if you have the Squirrely SEO plugin, you will find the link in your settings page inside WordPress, but you can also just go to your site/feed if you're using Squirrely SEO, and you will get a feed that looks like this one. So I'm just gonna copy it. I'm gonna go to Zapier, paste it. No, sorry, actually I have to say, like, if there's a new item in feed, then save and continue, set up the options, and here I have to paste my link. So this is the link. Username is optional, password is optional. We don't password protect the feed of squirrely.co, the blog, so you don't need this. Then what triggers a new feed item? And what triggers is a different URL, right? And then you can continue. Here we're waiting for a sample from the blog, and here's how you use it. I'm just gonna click this drop down here, and now I can see Squirrely SEO blog, Squirrely Social, as we'll let you know in a previous article, and blah blah. And then we have links and everything. Now you don't need to actually look at this. This is just like to show you that Zapier was able to take the information from your feed. We just have to continue right now. Alright, and it says that your Zap currently lacks an action step. Let's add one right now. And we're gonna click that. Here in the search bar, we're gonna look for Squirrely Social. And the action that a new item in the feed triggers. So basically what the trigger means is that each time I post something new to the Squirrely blog and there's a new item, that item will get sent directly to Squirrely Social, and I'll add a post to the planner section of Squirrly Social. So save and continue. I'm going to use this integration. It's used in 6 steps. It requires the API key that I've shown you earlier, and in the full guide you're gonna see exactly how to do that. Now I have to say, like, okay, so to which team do I want to send this? Considering that I have my Squirrly Social account, I'm gonna show you my Squirrly Social account where I have multiple brands, so multiple teams. I have Eveniment Bees, Florin Mureșan, The Network, Wizards Unite, and Squirrly. These are all brands inside my Squirrly Social account. It's only natural that it asks me, so to which team do you want to send this? So giving Squirrly Social a call. Squirrly, that's the brand. The planner category is, we have a lot of planner categories. So we have a special planner category called From the Blog. And I'm gonna tell it that each time there's a new post in my feed, I want it to be automatically approved. Now, if I place it at approved, every time I'm gonna have a new item in the feed, it will get boom, it will get zoomed over to social media, right? So every time something new comes up in my blog and it's published, it's been verified by our editors and everything, and it reached the blog, it will also be sent to the From the Blog planner category as approved. It doesn't require any further approving because it's already been done before our editors hit publish inside of WordPress. So I'm just gonna say approved and let it go to social media. Now, I need to show the text, and I don't know what the text is, so I'm just gonna go here. You can see this handy button that says insert a field, and my field will be title, and you can see that it says step 1 because it's something that it brought from the first step from the trigger section, and then it tells me the title of the article. So Squirrly Social, the only social media management tool you'll need. I'm gonna hit the space right here to make sure that I have spacing, and the title and the link will be separated in the message that gets sent out, and I'm just gonna add the link. This is the link, and I don't need an image, so I just have to continue. Alright, and let's send a test to Squirrly Social, alright? Let's click on this. Boom, status is approved, everything seems to work. Now let's see if it actually worked. Going to the post planner and to the From the Blog category, you can see that I have nothing in draft because I already set it to go to scheduled. So in scheduled, this was an older message sent out by Andrea. You can see the author name here. This is Andrea, and this is Florin, this is myself, and this is the message. Squirrly Social, the only social media tool you'll need, exactly what I've sent to Zapier. Alright, now this was just a test, and I'm naturally going to delete it for the moment because I just wanted to show you that it works. And I'm gonna click finish. I'm gonna name the zap From Squirrly Blog to Squirrly Social Media, because then every time I'm gonna look into my Zapier account, I will know that this is the zap for sending new blog posts to our social media accounts. Actually, I could just say new Squirrly Blog to Squirrly Social Media. The zap is now on. I can see it in my dashboard. I can go here to blogging, and I can see new Squirrly Blog to Squirrly Social Media. It's on, and now every single time that I'm gonna publish something new, it will get automatically sent to our social media feeds. Now I'm just gonna run a test. Please stay tuned. I just don't want to show the passwords and the accounts and everything, but I'll still be here on the stream, so we're still on with this. but I just want to show you how it works exactly. I'm gonna do a test post right now as we're having the live stream. Okay, so I'm in the account. Let's see, new post. Testing something live with our, no, testing something with our live audience. This is the best post. Alright, so I know it doesn't make sense, but we're just trying to test this out right here. Yeah, we don't care about any of that. I need to place this one so that it actually goes to the blog, Squirrly SEO blog, and I'm just gonna hit publish. And hopefully we'll never get to regret it. Alright, now we see the new post. It's here in the blog. And now that I have it on the blog, I can see that it's published. Now I'm just gonna open up the next panel for the social media assistant. And I also want to show you something that happened. It happened exactly as I've said it. So because I didn't place any image in this post, I've got nothing. I didn't even have an open graph image or a featured image. I don't have an image inside the post. It just took the one from the sidebar, but you can see that I already have it scheduled in my from the blog section, testing something with our live audience, and the link to the message. Of course, you can edit it if you want. Here's where you can edit it and then save it. And you can see that it was automatically sent to our post planner inside of Squirrly Social. Now, this is the thing that I really like using, so I'm gonna go to the network. You can also check out the features that we have. There are a lot of features like auto emojis, simple timings, advanced timings, repeat options, brand customizations. You can even do watermarking on your pictures. There's like a lot of crazy stuff, like even link shortening, auto